In the previous videos, we discussed a lot about the trigonometric ratios of sum and the difference of two angles, and particularly for the sine ratio of sum of the two angles, we had learned for that we had learned sine A, I mean sine of first angle times cos of second angle, all right, and then cos of first angle, then sine of second angle. All right, it was like this: sine A cos B cos A sine B. All right, this is the formula for the sine A plus B. And later we had learned another also formula, difference, all right, the sine ratio of difference of two angles, sine A minus B. And for this we had learned just the sign got changed here. This was plus and here it got just minus, and the ratio terms are same. All right, we had learned sine A times cos B minus cos A times sine B. All right, these two formula we had learned. And here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just suppose here 1 and this 2, and what will happen if I'm gonna add these two? All right, let's add. If we add these two, what we'll get, see, cos A sine B and minus cos A sine B, so these two things will cancel up and we'll get here sine A cos B. How many we have? 2. So 2 sine A cos B will get sine A plus B and plus sine A minus B. So from here what we get a new formula, means we converted the sum and difference form of the equation of sine into the product form. All right, so finally what we can write, that 2 sine A cos B is equal with sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. So this is another new formula or new identity, you can say. We need to remember, this is going to help us a lot. So if we have the two angles in the form of product, all right, if we have the two angles in the form of the product, then we can convert that into the sum or difference form. All right, I'm going to say if I have an angle something like 2 sine suppose 30 degree times cos let's say 50 degree, then I can write that as a sine 30 plus 50, that is 80 degree, plus sine A minus B, that is 30 minus 50, all right, that's going to be minus 20, right, minus 20 degree, and that's going to be finally sine 80 degree minus sine 20 degree. So the product form of the equation get converted into the sum or difference form, right? So this is how, this is going to be helpful. Sometime we'll get in this form and we'll need to convert it into the product form, so that time it's going to help us a lot. All right, so that's why sometimes we say this formula as a transformation formula also. We transform one form of the equation into the another form. From product we convert into the sum, and from sum we convert into the product. So better it is known as the transformation also. So transformation formula also we say. All right, I hope you understand this, and in the next video we'll be checking what will happen if we'll subtract each other. All right, so catch you in the next video. Goodbye.